We're out here by a 600 series platform and just wanted to show you another new product that's available through Sloan Express. You won't be able to find it on our catalog. It's actually something we brought on new for 2019. And it's the head connector bearing that you'll see on all your 600 series flexes, drapers, rigids, flex draper heads, 700 series drapers and flex drapers, and also on the 900 series draper only. And what we wanted to do is just show you that product and where it goes. And basically the bearing we're talking about is up here next to the motor. That's driving your head or driving your cutting edge. Just fits right up in there and bolts in place. And we also wanted to make sure that you also knew that when you purchase one of these products, you also get the nylon sleeve and you also get the 2 bolts to replace that as well. There is 2 options available for this bearing as well, which you can get the seal bearing style, which I have here in my hand, or you can get the greasable style. We currently don't stock it, but we will if we start seeing a lot of movement on it. If you have any questions on that, you can call us at 800-934-9777, or you can check it out on sloanex.com.